Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can make a table or floor lamp with the help of ice cream sticks and some dowels. So without any further delay, let's get into the video now. So for this DIY, you will need some ice cream sticks, dowels, Fevibond, cutter, bulb holder and wire for connection. I have mentioned all required material link in a description box. So now, size of the dowels which I ordered from Amazon are 20 cm into 1 cm. There are 20 dowels or wooden slices in a pack. And I have planned to make a height of this lamp to be a 40 cm. So here I am simply connecting two dowels with each other. Instead of dowels, you can also use broomsticks. Now take two dowels, apply a Fevibond and wait for a few seconds. Then start sticking ice cream sticks on dowels. So guys, here I am giving you a quick tips. If you are using two dowels for ensuring a nicely lock it, take a small piece of ice cream sticks and fix it on the joint in order to avoid a bending. Now I have already made a second part of this and it's time to apply a glue and fix them each other using a candy sticks. In the same way, you have to cover all the four sides with the help of stick in order to make a structure of our lamp. Once the basic structure of our lamp is ready, apply a glue on four dowels, take a candy sticks and apply them on a top for giving a more finishing look. Now it's time to make a base of the lamp where we will fix the bulb and holder. At last, it's time for an electrical connection the same way we have done it in our previous project of cloud night lamp. Simply fix the wire with the holder and plug, fix the bulb on a holder and fix the holder on the base which we have just made. Now take a base and fix it on the top of the corner and our lamp is ready.